Alright, what's up, y'all? So today, I don't know the date, but we're gonna be putting LEDs in my mama car. I ordered her some LEDs. She got a, I think it's a 2015 or 2017 Chevy Impala. This is the lights right here that we putting. Let me show you the yep, that's what they look like out the package. So, hopefully they fit. This will be the second set I ordered, because I thought the other ones was, I thought these was made a little different, but I guess not. Go right here, stick your hand in there, twist this one up, the naughty. Wow, just like that. So it turns on. Go unplug it. Just pull the tab, pull it. Try the new one. Hopefully this works. Oh shit, I'm just dropping it. Hopefully it works. Let's see. Alright. It's not as yellow, you know. It's not as yellow, you know. I'll put it in, and then damn, how all this supposed to fit in there? Let's see if I can on there. No fast light, no nothing. Blind. I'm going in blind. Oh look, wow. And I guess I just shove. Don't know how they. Oh look, I'm at the bottom. Come on, man. Don't act like that. There we go. Let's see if this will screw back on. Oh, and I got it. Alright, so we're gonna see the difference. And that was the easy side. That's the side with nothing in the way. Wow, and it will start drizzling. Let's see the difference. Maybe this is a little something. I ain't gonna say it's a lot something. Way more LED than this brown, yellowish, orange stuff. Looks way better. Alright, so I'm gonna put the other one on. Figure out, cause they got all this in the way. When did this tube come up? I think it does. Yep. Pop that off. Screw this. Oh, this might be easy. Oh, look it go. Turn this off. Okay. Set this up. On and just plug and play. Plug and play. Should it work? Ooh. Alright. Just like that. Put it back. We in. closed in. Let's check it. Ooh. She is LED'd out that fast. Now, less than 10 minutes. And just take that. Stick that back in there. Make sure you line it up with the little pinhole right there. And you take these, toss them in the trash. They came with gloves. I ain't even had enough time to put that on. And it started drizzling. Make sure everything good, everything straight. And there it is. LED swapped from the old OEM bulbs